Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're new here, I'm Mark, your Cyberforce security officer, and today we're diving into a crucial topic for anyone using the internet, cybersecurity. We'll be sharing the top 10 cybersecurity tips for beginners. Stick around until the end because we have a special offer just for you. Let's get started with tip number 1. Use strong, unique passwords. Using the same password for multiple accounts is a big no-no. Always use strong, unique passwords for each of your accounts. A password manager can help you generate and store these securely. Tip number 2, enable multi-factor authentication or MFA. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security by requiring not just your password, but also a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone. Tip number 3, keep your software up to date. Regular updates patch security vulnerabilities that hackers could exploit. Always keep your operating systems, browsers, and applications up to date. Tip number 4, be wary of phishing scams. Phishing scams try to trick you into providing personal information. Never click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Tip number 5, use secure Wi-Fi connections. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for sensitive transactions. If you must use it, consider using a VPN to encrypt your data. Tip number 6, regularly back up your data. Regular backups can save you from data loss due to malware or hardware failure. Use both cloud storage and physical backups for added security. Tip number 7, install and update antivirus software. Antivirus software can detect and remove threats before they cause harm. Ensure it's always updated to combat the latest threats. Tip number 8, secure your mobile devices. Just like your computer, your mobile devices are vulnerable to attacks. Use strong passwords, keep your operating system updated, and only download apps from trusted sources. Tip number 9, educate yourself and others. Staying informed is key. Take courses, read articles, and stay up to date with the latest cybersecurity news and trends. Tip number 10, develop a cybersecurity mindset. Always think before you click. Question the legitimacy of emails, links, and requests for information. A cautious approach can prevent many cyber attacks. If you're serious about protecting yourself online and want to dive deeper into cybersecurity, we have something special for you. We've created a comprehensive cybersecurity guide designed specifically for beginners. It covers everything from the basics to advanced techniques, and it's available now for just $99. Click the link in the description below to get started and take control of your online security today. Sign up today to receive the bonuses. Revolutionize your small business. 10 steps to harness the power of AI Guide. Access to a private group with free guides, the opportunity to use the skills you learned, and opportunities to provide your services to businesses in need.